Okay, this one I'm going through more about account management. In the other video I showed how to create the accounts. Now we want to fund them. So this is from the docs from EOS, and we can see here same thing, creates account, but this time we're creating one for this for the actual name of the contract, which is actually supplied. They supply this contract. So if we go over to the library, so if I've gone into this contracts directory and then the token, we go up one level, can see the source code is here, and we're going to create, we saw earlier about how we created accounts, so it's the same thing as we did here, but this time we're using EOS io.token. So I'm going to say Kleos creates accounts, and then I'm going to say EOS io.token, and then I want to put a key, so this means using one of the keys we created up here. Let's go up here. Oh, right, okay, well that looks like, okay, it looks like that was too far back. So if we go, let's create another key then. So create key, 2 console. So I'm going to use this key here. So what I'll do, so I'm going to run through this, go through this again here. So I'm going to put this, and then I'm going to use this key here. Ensure your wallet is unlocked before using it. Okay, so we've got something set up for this already, so we've got 2 levels. Hopefully that unlocks it. Well, that didn't work. Okay, so it looks like we have to go out there and do this. So it's unlocked, and then if we go back to where we were, and I'm looking to do this again, so oh, okay. Excuse me. So I've actually done this already. I was doing some testing earlier, so it looks like it's already been created. Actually, I'm going to see if we can recreate. Create. Okay, well, for the moment we'll just leave that as that. So this creates the account here, and then we want to compile the contract with this, so we use this command here. And then this actually will compile the contract, which seems to have done something. And then deploy the contract. The command is there, so we just copy that. Now we have an error here. So skipping code is the same as, oh, okay. So it's the same as existing code, so we won't do it. So if we go into source code and edit this thing, and I'm just going to add comments. I'm not sure if this will work either, because it's probably the case that comments aren't accepted. So I'm going to change something else. Token with symbol already exists on system. Okay, now let's go back out of this. So it's now putting that back on to the system, which is what we expect to see here. So I'll leave this video at that point before getting on to the next bit about creating the tokens. So this has deployed the contract, compiled and deployed the contract, and creates the accounts if necessary here. And then the last thing will be creating tokens. Okay, so that's that video.